latest offering from VinFast, the Limo Green, has arrived, and it's not a usual MPV. VinFast touts the Limo Green as a purpose-built tool engineered to dominate the commercial and ride-hailing sectors. It isn't trying to be a luxury lounge. It's a dedicated 7-seater MPV built for the relentless grind of city service, focusing entirely on the metrics that matter most of its main target, fleet operators. The most significant part of the Limo Green story is its battery subscription model. By separating the most expensive component of an electric vehicle from the purchase price, VinFast significantly lowers the initial investment, taking the upfront cost out of the equation. This approach essentially shifts the risk of battery degradation from the owner to the manufacturer. If the battery health drops below 70%, VinFast provides an automatic replacement. When you combine this future-ready, low-risk fleet investment with a 7-year vehicle warranty and a 10-year battery warranty, the typical anxiety regarding long-term EV depreciation should disappear. Underneath its utilitarian exterior, the Limo Green packs a punch that belies its limousine moniker. The Limo Green's single electric motor produces 201 horsepower or 150 kilowatts and 280 Nm of torque. This provides the immediate smooth low-end pull necessary for a fully loaded vehicle navigating stop-and-go traffic, delivering a superior comfort and ride quality compared to traditional entry-level internal combustion models. VinFast says a 60.13 kilowatt-hour usable battery capacity translates to a highly practical 40 to 50 kilometer range under the NEDC cycle. For a driver on an 8-hour shift, this should be more than adequate for a full day of airport transfers or urban deliveries. When the juice does run low, the standard CCS2 charge port allows the Limo Green to go from a 10% to 70% charge in just 30 minutes, ensuring a minimal downtime between shifts. A 3.5 kilowatt portable charger is also included for overnight top-ups. Size is where the Limo Green proves its worth as a people mover. With a 2,840mm wheelbase and an overall dimension of 4,740mm in length, 1,872mm in width, and 1,723mm in height, it offers a footprint and cabin space comparable to the most popular mid-sized MPVs on the road today. It maintains a respectable 170mm ground clearance and a tight 5.65-meter turning radius via its electric power-assisted steering, allowing it to easily navigate narrow city streets or uneven thoroughfares with a 550-kilogram payload. The exterior hardware is built for low-cost longevity, featuring auto on-off headlamps with a follow-me-home function, power-adjustable side mirrors with LED turning signals, 18-inch steel rims with hubcaps wrapped in 235/55 R18 tires, and ventilated front discs paired with solid rear discs. Inside, the flexibility is impressive. While trunk capacity is a modest 126 liters with a third row up, folding the third row opens it up to 607 liters. Fold both the second and third rows down and you get a massive 1,245 liters of cargo space. The cabin is designed for durability and ease of use rather than opulence. Drivers interact with a 10-inch infotainment screen that supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, while passengers benefit from a 4-speaker audio setup and a total of 4 USB ports, 2 Type-A and 2 Type-C, alongside 2 12-volt charging ports. Safety and convenience are handled by a rear-view camera with guidelines, rear parking assist, and an electric parking brake with an auto hold feature. Ultimately, the VinFast Limo Green is a no-nonsense workhorse. It prioritizes predictable monthly operating costs and minimal downtime, requiring preventive maintenance only once a year or every 15,000 kilometers. While private buyers might find the eco and normal driving modes and simple interior a bit basic, fleet buyers should see a highly calculated investment that offers up to 70% in preventive maintenance savings over traditional ICE engines. It is quite simply one of the most logical choices for anyone looking to electrify a commercial fleet today. This should be just as true for those looking for a low-cost and reliable family vehicle.